How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you go to your archive stories and there are stories missing or your stories are not being saved to the archive in Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to access our story archive within Instagram, all we need to do is open up the Instagram app, then navigate to your profile, and then select the three lines in the top right to open the menu, and then in the menu, select Archive. From here, you should see all the stories you've posted on Instagram. And if you're not seeing them, select the menu button at the top and select Stories Archive. Now, if for some reason your stories are not showing up here, all we need to do to ensure that they do show up here is select the three dots in the top right and then go to Settings. Once in the settings, make sure you have Save Story to Archive selected and turned on. And this means that anytime you post a story, once it expires, it'll go back to your archive so you can see it there. Now, if some of the stories in here are grayed out or you can't access them, what I recommend doing is uninstalling the Instagram app and then reinstalling it. A lot of people have said this has helped them. So it's really easy to do that. All you need to do is go to your home screen, find the Instagram app, long press it, and then select Remove App and then Delete App. After that, just go to your app store, search Instagram, and then download Instagram. Now, if it's still not working after that, I would recommend restarting your phone. Just turn it off and turn it back on. All right, so that's how you fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.